What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to use a VPN on your iPhone. A VPN, or Virtual Private Network, is a tool that helps protect your online privacy by encrypting your internet connection. When you use a VPN, your online activity is shielded from prying eyes, such as hackers, websites, or even your internet service provider. It also allows you to access content that might be restricted in your region by routing your connection through a server in another country. If you don't already have a VPN installed, the first thing you need to do is download one from the App Store. Here, search for VPN and you will see a wide variety of VPNs in the search results. But keep in mind that some VPNs may not be available depending on your region. Regardless, I recommend you download Privado VPN for the best VPN experience on your iPhone. Before signing in, click on the first link in the description to create an account. This gives you 3 months of premium VPN for free, and if you choose to continue with the premium subscription, you will save another 80% on your purchase. Or simply use the free account. Privado VPN stands out from the crowd for several reasons. It offers fast and secure connections with servers in multiple countries, ensuring you have plenty of options to connect to. It also uses strong encryption to protect your data, meaning your browsing activity stays private and secure. Additionally, unlike some other VPNs that may limit free usage, Privado VPN offers a gorgeous free plan with no speed throttling, making it perfect if you're new to VPNs or want a reliable service without a hefty price tag. Whether you're looking to bypass geo restrictions, secure your connection on public Wi-Fi, or simply browse privately, Privado VPN gives you everything you need in a user-friendly package. If Privado VPN is available in your region, go ahead and download it from the App Store. Once installed, let's walk through how to use it to enable the VPN on your iPhone. Launch Privado VPN and log into your account that you created from the link in the description. You'll be greeted with the main screen where you can choose a server to connect to. VPN servers are located in various countries, and you can choose one based on your needs. Tap on the server button and scroll through the available options. Privado VPN offers a variety of fast servers spread across different locations, so select one that suits your needs. Once you've selected a server, tap the Connect button. For example, if you want to access content only available in the United States, select a US server. After a few moments, the VPN will connect and you'll see a notification indicating that the VPN is active. You can now browse the internet securely and access content that might have been restricted in your region. To verify if the VPN is working, look at the top of your iPhone screen and you'll see a small VPN icon next to your Wi-Fi or mobile signal, indicating that your connection is protected. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.